Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Belvidere, local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to make sure your long-distance move doesn't consist of all the worry. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, our team of staff will help you relocate. Relocating isn't very easy. However, using the best moving services can definitely make things a lot simpler. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whenever you want to work with an Illinois moving company, justifying the expense can seem to be difficult. However, when you begin to realize the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. You will definitely save time with a local move when you hire a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our team can help make sure you reach your new location without having nearly as much to worry about. Moving day becomes much easier with 3 movers because we simplify your whole entire move. Even when your move is large enough that it will take you a week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. If you need to work with the trustworthy Belvidere Moving Company, you want to call us today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belvidere moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.